Well, I was just over on the other side of the river and I picked up 24 bags of Black Shack pea coal while I was over there. 12 I'm going to stick in the bin and 12 are for the back of the truck for weight. And in other news, we've had some trouble with auger motors this week. The old Westinghouse EFM that we had on there before started to pop the thermal snap switch, which is right there. I did it like 3 times, so I pulled it off, and I had a nice old GE motor that looked to be in beautiful shape. And I woke up this morning to a cold boiler and lukewarm radiators. Turned out one of the bearings had seized in that motor. So even though it looked great on the inside and outside, and I lubed it before I put it in there, it just seized up. So this is another old Westinghouse motor. This is the last one of the old motor collection that I have. So I opened it up, took a look at it inside. It looks really good. It doesn't have hardly any play front to back. And it was a little crusty, so I cleaned it all off and put some 3-in-1 oil down in the cups for the bearing lubrication, and I ran it on the bench for a little while just to be sure everything was okay. It didn't get hot. It didn't make any noises. It started and stopped. Starter switch works fine and everything. So we put that on there. Hopefully that'll be it.